Feel the daylight on our skin. We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn.
What
Light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding.
Now we are going to some place, I don't know where. So we're having some water activities. So let's go.
The ones we can break the silence. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. In the distance, I can see all the things that we can achieve. Are you starting to believe that tonight it was meant to be?
Hey, where are you heading to? Guys, where are you heading to?
Boating.
We can run all night till the dawn.
Yes.
It's video. Video.
Of hiding. We can
Guys, so we are at this activity called zipline activity, and we are the last members. So yeah, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. It's gonna be fun. Hey guys, so we all are waiting. We are in a queue right now. Next is us. Okay.
I pushed and pulled all the ones that tried. Then I watched them fade away as I look around a vacant.
So guys, I'm just done and it is very, very amazing and fun.
'Cause I made myself a prisoner, shackled up.
Guys, one second, guys, we are done with. Guys, we are done with Jacuzzi. Jacuzzi. So we are heading back. You know, careful. We are heading back. That side. I want to tell you one thing. These stones are so sharp and it cuts your skin. So yeah. So guys, we are done with today's activities and we are heading back. We are all heading back. Bye.
Feels like I'm walking on fire. There's nothing left to lose. Looking for love and desire. Maybe I'm looking for you. Feels like I'm walking on fire. Baby, I'm falling for you. And all of the time that I've wasted, baby, I'm looking for you. So let me up, I'm burning. You're like a fire, I'm kerosene. So light me up, I'm burning. You're like a fire, you're burning. Show me